Babo Kabalan, kamusta kayo po? My name is Luis Season and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Guys, it's another afternoon delight. May pinadala naman po ang ating partner business for today. So we would like to thank Samgy Set on the go. And so if you're interested to have Samgy Set day sa bahay ninyo guys, make sure to contact them. Niluto ko na yung mga Samgy Set meat natin sa earlier part ng vlog na to. And these are our meat. Let me give a rundown. Moksal pork belly, spicy black pepper, sweet Korean barbecue, beef with enoki mushroom. Actually, this is one of the premium Samgy set na napadala sa amin. Set 1 is 599 pesos, set 2 is 999 pesos, and set 3 is 1,199 pesos. Now let's check out their side dishes. Homemade kimchi, fish cake, tteokbokki. We also have japchae, and then meron din tayong lettuce salad here. Yeah, you saw this one earlier. Ito yung Samgyeop on the go cheese. Now, more on the side dishes, we have the cucumber salad, cheesy buttered corn, potato marble, which is cooked in buttered garlic, and then lastly, some sweet potatoes. To wrap it all, meron tayong mga fresh lettuce here. Yeah, let's dig in. Let's get into the meat of the details. Uumpisan ko dito sa enoki mushroom. Actually, it has beef. Wow. First taste, guys. The cheese is very recommendable. Sarap nito, ha? As I always say, kapag ang pagkain ay kailangan i-mix, I usually taste it individually para alam ko talaga kung ano yung lasa ng each individual food. Yeah. Wow. Wow. I must say, this cheese is really rocking every meal here. So ngayon guys, tikman naman natin yung kanilang tteokbokki. Oh wow, that is really spicy. Actually, sabi ng owner kanina, pwede din siyang isawsaw dito sa cheese natin, which is, I'm gonna do. Oh wow. Speaking of cheese, so ito yung cheesy corn nila is next to try. Oh wow. Ito naman yung kanilang lettuce salad. It has strips of crab sticks. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's get back to the meat. This time I'm gonna add in lettuce. And then let's put this beef. And then, of course, yung cheese natin dyan. I want to add a large amount of cheese. Ito sa pine-prepare ko ito. And then, just a little kimchi paste. Haha! Moment of truth. Oh wow. I just love the way the beef it was, cooked. Although it's crispy, nandun pa rin yung lasa talaga ng beef. One more. Oh wow. Ooh. So, guys, I won't make you bored watching me enjoy the food here. I would like you guys to call Samgyeop on the go right now para matingman nyo po yung premium quality Samgyeop on the go dishes. Oh! So thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga, guys. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our page, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, see ya!